Am I just crazy, Doc? Hi, I'm Dr. Tom Taylor, and I can't tell you how often I heard this question in my office. Most people who found me had been everywhere else and done everything else they knew to do. Their doctors simply failed to provide answers that satisfied them. These people weren't crazy at all, and together we uncovered solutions that escaped others. The same was true for my co-author Barbara Brown on a different level. In Washington, D.C., she became known as the Bible Lady, because in meetings among the highest level diplomats, her counsel came straight from the scriptures. World leaders sought her out because her perspective was invariably sound and reliable. We didn't know it, but Barbara and I were on parallel paths to merge science and scripture to bring you this groundbreaking book. It happened, it's over, it's okay now. How to let go of the past and heal your mind, memory, and emotions. This book encapsulates everything we've learned about helping people heal physically, mentally, emotionally, and even spiritually. We go far beyond the woefully inadequate methods of constantly treating symptoms, because you aren't just a science experiment for doctors to practice on while they look for something that might work. But doesn't it feel that way sometimes? You live in a body, but you aren't just a collection of pieces and parts. You didn't come into this world with a bag of pills to get through life. You also weren't born with extra organs that you can remove or replace anytime you like. The truth is, you're a spiritual being undergoing a physical experience. You're a living soul created perfectly by God in a body He formed with His own hands. And He doesn't make junk. So when your body feels less than perfect, you have to look at symptoms as your body's solutions that can point you to problems you can correct. Here's a look at what Barbara Brown and I have prepared for you in It Happened, It's Over, It's Okay Now. How your body is like a car that you may not even be driving. How to unlock your imagination and remove limitations. How autoimmune conditions get started and how to reverse them. Why 7 years old is so important to the rest of your life. How to change your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs to heal your body, mind, and spirit. How to make friends with your symptoms. What are negative emotional memory engrams and why do they matter to you? Discover 6 steps to rapid healing and explore 5 reasons why healing may elude you. Learn how symptoms can point you to what caused them and investigate quick guidelines to stop illness in its tracks. Identify your top healing priorities and examine 5 rules for the new you. Find out how to let go of your balloons and butterflies to make way for real healing. Discover why healing is more like an artichoke than an onion and learn how to live above problems. Loaded with illustrations to help cement these important concepts in your mind, this brand new book, It Happened, It's Over, It's Okay Now, is likely to become one of your most trusted go-to sources of understanding and practical help when you need it the most. Here's some highlights from each chapter in the book. In Chapter 1, you'll learn what you think about, you bring about, and how to change what you speak to get what you really want. In Chapter 2, you'll discover how to unlock your imagination and remove limitations. In Chapter 3, you'll explore how to see emotions as energy in motion. In Chapter 4, you'll learn how to use something called the Iron Rule to reverse disease and even prevent it. In Chapter 5, you'll discover how to change your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs to heal your body, mind, and spirit. In Chapter 6, you'll explore how symptoms start and how to stop them from becoming serious conditions. In Chapter 7, you'll discover 6 steps to rapid healing. In Chapter 8, you'll put the steps together from all the other chapters and explore 5 reasons why healing stops. In Chapter 9, you'll discover what it means when symptoms show up in certain areas of your body. In Chapter 10, you'll learn how to identify your top priorities and the emotions that get you into trouble. In Chapter 11, you'll explore why symptoms sometimes return and what to do when that happens. In Chapter 12, you'll examine why healing is like an artichoke instead of an onion, and you'll learn a 4-step process to avoid problems. And finally, you'll find nutshells and takeaways, important points to remember at the end of each chapter. The premium edition with full-color illustrations is only $29.97, and it comes with tons of bonus material on video and guides you can download, plus you get the complete audiobook. Of course, if you prefer, you can order the black and white edition without all the extras for $19.97. Here's what you need to do next. Go to the web page in the description of this video and make your selection for either the premium edition or the regular edition. Follow the steps in this groundbreaking book and go free today. Break the change of your past. Heal the wounds of old memories. Unlock the patterns of limiting beliefs, because your body responds according to its design, not your desire. This is Dr. Tom Taylor. On behalf of Barbara Brown and the team at Whole Life Whole Health, thanks for watching, and until next time, live well.